Yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Tone Ross and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm a filmmaker, photographer, and music creative that runs his own business and does this full time. In this video, we're going to be talking about the 5 reasons why it's important to film BTS. And if you're not doing it, these are the reasons why you need to start. Let's get into it. Reason number 1 why you need to be filming and posting B-roll or behind the scenes BTS content is because it helps you to build social capital. Social capital is your awareness within your community that you do what you do and that you're good at what you do because they trust you and they've seen you do it before. And so the only way that they can see your work and know your work and become more in tune to trust you is that you have to post the behind the scenes and post the actual product that it is, the project it is that you've created. And when you do that, it forces that person to remember that you are the guy, the girl that does great work and someone that they can recommend for your next gig. Social capital is everything, whether you are a photographer, whether you are someone that bakes cakes, whether you're an athlete, whether you are a speaker or what have you. Having BTS or behind the scenes content of you doing what you do allows people to see your process, see how you work with others, and your level of excellence, seeing you locked in doing what you do when you do it. Number 2 is that behind the scenes can be a professional development tool. It's not always BTS to be posted on your social media channels to be made into an Instagram reel or TikTok. Sometimes you film BTS of you conducting a rehearsal or fixing a product or whatever it may be so that you can watch yourself doing it and give yourself the feedback to say, okay, I can fix this here. I can be a little bit more efficient there. I can maybe adjust how I said this. I can adjust how I approach this, or maybe have a better answer to this question the next time around. It's definitely more so of a professional development tool and a personal development tool if you choose to use it that way, as opposed to only being social media content. So let it be personal development or professional development. Pull out your camera and start filming BTS. Number 3, have you ever heard that your last gig is your next gig? Really? Well, basically what that breaks down to is that the testimonial that you got from the last gig will lead up to the next one. And it kind of ties back into what I was saying with social capital. But this takes it a step further with including client testimonials, because not only does it showcase your work in the past by providing the behind the scenes of that project, but it also gratifies the current client that you have by showcasing what they had to say about your product, your service, or your performance, whatever it may have been. It strengthens your ability to get booked for the next time by showing how you did it and also getting a testimonial. So include testimonials with your behind the scenes content. It's a great pairing that I use all the time that keeps me going and keeps people booking me and keeps my business in front of people and fortifies my social capital right there in the moment by getting an in the moment recommendation for the next client. Some things that I do is asking my current client, what would they say to someone who's on the fence with booking with Tone Ross Music and Media? And that allows them to say, get off the fence, go do it right now. He was amazing. It was a dope team, or whatever the feedback may have been for that photo shoot, video shoot, or rehearsal, or what have you. It gives that person the opportunity to share in their own words, right in the moment, how great you are. And showing that behind the scenes as B-roll on top of that content, you're going to get them every time. All right, before we jump into number 5, I want to make sure that y'all tap in on that subscribe button down below. We're on our way to 2,000 subs right here on my channel, and I'm super excited about this. I've been on this journey making videos for a long time, and I want to continue to do that. And the way that you can help me reach my goal is by hitting that subscribe button, and as always, hitting the like, turn that bell on so that you never miss a video. On this channel, I talk about music production, I talk about business, I talk about my lifestyle, I talk about photography and videography gear, the whole gamut. So if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe, like, turn on the bell for notifications, and let's go. 2,000 subs, we on the way. And number 5, filming behind the scenes content just builds up your confidence in yourself that you are who you are. You are amazing. You are dope. You are one of the best at what you do. And when you see you doing what you do, it further fortifies that. We are never having that out-of-body experience, being able to see ourselves in the moment, in our element, doing what we do. And when you set up a camera in the behind the scenes area, out of the sight of the real camera, it just really sets you up for success and further elevates your confidence in yourself to be able to do what you do. Sometimes we all get low and we forget that, we are really making a difference. We're really helping people. We're really making the money that we want, or whatever it could be. Having that behind the scenes content of yourself just builds up your own confidence in a way that nothing else does. Trust me, I know. And again, it doesn't always have to be posted. It could just be for your own personal or professional development and strengthening your confidence within yourself. All right, that's it for me. Those are 5 reasons why you need to be filming behind the scenes content. If you want to see some examples of how I use behind the scenes content to help me build my business and develop those relationships with social capital, follow me on my Instagram at Tone Ross. If you're on TikTok, you can follow me at Tone Ross Music. And there's a whole lot of shorts right here on my YouTube channel for you to see how I use BTS and how I incorporate it into my content to tell a story or as client testimonials. As always, keep living because your very best days are still yet to come. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. Yeah, I'm ballin' like it's game time. Locked in when it's game time. I put in work, couldn't wait for mine. I got 9, couldn't wait in line. Game time, game time. Locked in when it's game time. Shoot from deep like a Curry 3. And I go beast like 23. 10 toes down, glued to the concrete. And I do me, keep to myself to find my peace. Been ballin' a little bit, woke up feeling rich. Still remember days I had to grind to get a cent. Still remember days when I spent a penny pinch. Now this bank account is lit and it's up and it's stuck just like Cardi said. Same faces around me and it's hardly friends. Saying how you do it but you hardly did. Fibbing on the ground, yeah you probably is.